Learn about variables with Ace and Robot.
Hi everyone, I'm Robot.
And I'm Ace. Today, we're going to show you how scientists set up experiments.
To do that, we need to understand three types of variables: the independent variable, the dependent variable, and the control variables.
Since I love toys, we'll design an experiment to see which toy keeps me busy the longest.
Perfect, but before we start, let's figure out the variables. The independent variable is the one thing we change on purpose.
In our experiment, the independent variable is which toy I get to play with. The dependent variable is what we measure in the experiment.
Here, we're measuring how long Ace plays with the toy. That's the dependent variable. To make it fair, we also need control variables.
Control variables are the things we keep the same, so they don't affect the results.
For example, we'll always test in the same backyard, at the same time of day, and after Ace eats the same meal.
That way, the only thing changing is the toy. Let's review. The independent variable is what we change. So in our example, it is the dog toy. The dependent variable is what we measure. The data we collect will be how long I play with the toy. The control variables are all the other things in the experiment that stays the same. So the yard, the time of day, the meal I eat, and even me are all control variables.
Now our experiment is ready to go.
Remember, change one thing, measure one thing, and keep the rest the same.
That's the key to a good science experiment.
Science is awesome.
And we'll see you in the next experiment.